Hey, Akhil here from akhiltoday.com. Today I came up with the beautiful lessons from the book called Continuous Discovery Habits written by Teresa Torres. In this book, the author explained about discovering the products that create a customer value and a business value. She focused to strategize some keys to work with the product team to enhance the business. So, first lesson is to know the difference between an output and an outcome. Author suggests team managers, a product team managers to ask a simple question to their team: What impact this will change? What impact will this change have in customer? Many people targeted for the output. The thing is, output is just a thing, and outcome is just a change in the customer's behavior and needs. So let us understand in depth of that. What do your customers really want from your products? Because when you try to find out, you will recognize that your customer doesn't know what they want for. So it is your duty or your team duty to find out what your customers need is. What to do when you get more info than what you think of. It is always try to collaborate. Discuss among your product team on outcome which outcome you should first focus on. Until unless you prioritize the task or outcome, you will not able to achieve massive results in this. There is a problem here. Your customers needs, pain points and designs are constantly changing. So, the offering product or services that you are going to provide must change accordingly. It's your product team's job to take care of each and every opportunity to serve your customers so that come up with an informed decision after complete discussion about which opportunities to explore and exploit and experiment. So let us understand what should you need to do right now. Many people struggle by reading the books but they will not implement. Let us learn the implement techniques from this book. What should you do? Choose the right outcome, whatever you want to deliver to the customers. Then, second step, dedicate your enough time towards achieving that right outcome. Map out all the opportunities after discussing with your team. Ask the right questions towards your team as well as towards your customers. Generate lots of new ideas every possible way. Once you generate lots of ideas, again, this is a cycle that will repeat. Choose right outcome, dedicate time, map opportunities, ask the right questions, generate lot of ideas so that your product will also continuously evaluate and evolve. That's how you can discover continuous habits that creates customer value and business value. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and share. See you in another book learnings. Until then, take care, stay safe, keep smiling, keep progressing.